Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear students? I hope you all are well, healthy, and well. My dear students, now let's begin with the syllabus of Mathematics of Standard 7, that is geometrical construction. What geometrical construction? In these lessons, we will learn about angle bisectors, the perpendicular bisectors of a line segment, properties of the angles bisector of a triangle, construction of angles, congruence of angles, properties of congruent angles, congruence of segments, and properties of congruent segment. So, my dear student, these are the sub points of this lesson that we will learn in these lessons. Okay, my dear student. Students, in 6th standard we have learned about point, ray, line segment, collinear lines, concurrent line. Now we will learn this topic in details. So we are going to learn about angle bisector. Our first topic is angle bisector. So what is angle bisector? A line bisector which divides an angle in two equal parts. How many parts? Two equal parts. Here, if we see the diagram, we have an angle. We have an angle. In angle ABC, B divides an angle with two equal parts. How many parts? Two equal parts. We are using angle bisector. We get first part is angle ABD and second part is DBC. What? DBC. Understood, students? Now going to learn about perpendicular bisector. So what is mean by perpendicular bisector? A line segment or ray that bisect a given line segments or side of a polygon at a right angle to that line segment or side of a polygon. It's called perpendicular bisector. This is the definition of perpendicular bisector. Okay, my dear students. For example, draw a line segment PS of a length for 8 cm and draw its perpendicular bisector and name it line CD. Okay? Students, now take a ruler and draw a line segment of 8 cm and write the measurement below the line 8 cm. Now name the line as PS. What? PS. Then take a ruler, measure more than half of 8 cm with the help of compass or rounder. Now place your compass in the point P. And draw an arc up as well as down. Similarly, now place your compass in the point S and draw an arc on both the sides, up as well as down. Now again take a ruler and keep it in the center of both the arcs and draw a line joining these two arcs. Make the line HCD and this is your perpendicular bisector. What? This is your perpendicular bisector. Understood, my students? Now we will learn properties of angle bisector of triangles. Okay? Draw a triangle PQR. Use a compass to draw the bisector of all three sides of these angles. And this three bisector passes through the same sides point, that is they are concurrent. Means they are concurrent, and name the points concurrent I. Note that from of concurrence of the angle bisector of the triangle is in the interior of a triangle from a perpendicular IA, IB and IC respectively. From I to the sides of the triangle PQ, QR and PR. So write here IA is equal to IB is equal to IC. Now we will learn about the property of perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle. Okay. Use a ruler to draw an acute angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Draw the perpendicular bisector of each sides of two triangles. Note the perpendicular bisector of the sides on are concurrents. Name their points of the concurrent C and measure the distance between C and the vertices of the triangle. Note CX is equal to CY and CY is equal to CZ. Understood, my dear students? Okay.